New flywheel puller off Amazon, look. And that was £44.75 on a next day delivery. It come quite quick actually. I was expecting about 7 o'clock tonight. It must have come an hour ago, so it come about 3 o'clock. So that's not bad going at all. Anyway, let's see if it works. So it come with these bolts. They're a bit long for what I want. Fortunately, I have some of my own in stock for when I'm building bikes and just for things in general. So I'm going to try some with my bolts and see what it's like. Right, let's have a look, shall we? Which ones are we going to use? Probably try them, so I'll back this back out. We're probably going to need these as well. Put them in there like that. Tighten them up. And I'm just going to nip them on there. Yeah, it's a bit pissed. See if it works. Okay, now she's tied. She's gone. She's off. Bob on. And why did I want that off? Because the fucking stator's loose. So that's me puller off Amazon. Handy tool if you need one. £44.75. So don't forget to like and subscribe and look out for my next video.